In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a disabled Microsoft Word zoom slider. If the zoom slider is missing or disabled in Microsoft Word, you can easily enable it through the status bar at the bottom of the Word window. The zoom slider allows you to quickly increase or decrease the size of your document on the screen without changing the actual formatting or font size. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and look at the very bottom of the Word window. This area is called the status bar, and it contains different controls and information about your document. If the zoom slider is currently not visible or has been disabled, you can change its settings directly from the status bar. To do this, move your mouse to the bottom of the Word window and right-click on the status bar. This will open a menu containing different options that you can show or hide in the status bar. Look through the menu and find the option called Zoom Slider. If the zoom slider option is not currently selected, click on it. Once you select Zoom Slider, Microsoft Word will add the zoom slider back to the bottom right area of the Word window. You should now see the zoom controls at the bottom of the document. These include the minus button, the zoom slider, the current zoom percentage, and the plus button. You can now use the zoom slider to change how large or small your document appears on your screen. Click and drag the slider to the left to decrease the zoom level, or move it to the right to increase the zoom level. You can also use the minus and plus buttons beside the slider if you want to adjust the zoom level gradually. If you ever want to disable the zoom slider again, simply right-click on the status bar at the bottom of the Word window and select Zoom Slider once more. This will remove the zoom slider from the status bar. It's important to remember that the zoom slider only changes how your document appears on your screen. It does not change the actual font size, page layout, or formatting of your document. So if your Microsoft Word zoom slider is missing, right-click the status bar at the bottom of the window, find Zoom Slider, and select it to enable the control. You can use the same option again whenever you want to disable it. And that's how you can enable or disable the zoom slider in Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.